Hi guys, my name is Pete. This is Trend Kitchen. Welcome to this new video. It's Monday, so let's do our usual weekly overview. Looking for some good opportunities to trade during this week. Obviously, everything is strongly linked to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. So this is a time when everything can easily change. All it takes is a declaration and a missile and a specific macroeconomic event, and everything can easily change and drastically change at any moment. So, technical analysis, that is the kind of analysis that I do here, is therefore weak. Okay, in times like this. Okay, so but let's do it anyway. But be very careful to the macroeconomic news. Okay, so let's start with S&P and basically with all the U.S. indices, which, as I told you, are strongly linked to the conflict. Okay, so be very careful anyway. Like I said so many times in this week overview, in the last week of reviews, we are in a strong bearish momentum. Okay, and the last week something very important happened, just because for the first time this structure, okay, which is where is the buyer dominance, okay, the last buyer dominance, okay, had been broken. Price closed, okay, beyond this dominance, and this is a strong signal of weakness. Okay, if talking with on a Wyckoff point of view. Okay, the only thing that let me hope the price could reject and go and pump up is this refusing, rejecting of the support. Okay, uh, as you can see, we have this long tail. Okay, that means that this level is strongly being rejected. Okay, but to be honest, I think will be not enough. Okay, due to the conflict, I suppose that we're going to break this week, probably today or tomorrow, this support again and keep on going bearish. Okay, if we move on a 4-hour time frame, we can see that we have this volume area, which is also has a lot of time up at the demand zone. Okay, so basically I will not go long on American indices until price will reach this zone. Okay, and basically this is the same also for Nasdaq, for Dow Jones, but I think that in we could looking for some good opportunities to go short. Okay, and when price will reach this demand, I will looking for a double high. Okay, so two higher highs to consider long opportunities. Okay, and obviously a rejection. Okay, uh, um, a retracement. Sorry, on the first low, when when the first impulse had happened. Okay, so basically this is a Quasimodo pattern. Okay, so this is the situation, my point of view for this week on indices. And so let's move down. We have USOIL. Obviously, this is I mean, strongly linked to the Russian conflict. We have this huge bullish momentum, and it's obvious, and you know why. Probably this week something could change because of the China can buy Russian oil. I mean, uh, it's a very very um, weak situation on the of the technical point of view, but let's do it. I mean, we must be bullish, obviously, on US oil. Okay, so what we can do here is just wait for a retracement. Okay, in this zone. Well, now then this indicator doesn't work right by now, but anyway, this is a good zone in which we can wait for a retracement to go long again. And if we move on a 4-hour time frame, we see that we have a gap, and as you know, 99% of the times the gap is filled. So we just wait for the price to fill the gap here, which is close to the volume zone, to the volume area. Basically, this is inefficiency. Okay, and and then we can go long. Okay, I prefer to wait for a good setup on a 50-minute time frame. Okay, so like this, as I told you before, to wait for a retracement of this impulse most of the times, of the 75 of Fibonacci retracement, and then here go long. Okay, so here. Okay, so this is what we can do on USOIL, and that's pretty much it. Okay, I set up this alert. Just wait for the price to go here. More or less same thing on gold. Okay, same thing on gold. Even if we have this tail that, I mean, what does this tail mean? That here there are a lot of buyers or sellers, okay, that try to refuse to push down the price. Okay, and we have then another big impulse. This could be, on the technical point of view, the beginning of an uptrust, and an uptrust after distribution, talking on a Wyckoff point of view. And here we are on a supply zone, this one. Okay, yes, on the technical point of view, it could be this one, but also gold is strongly linked to the Russian Ukrainian conflict, so who knows. Anyway, for this week, I will go long. So, like I said, on USOIL, I just want I just wait for the price to retest. Okay, and to take take the swing. Okay, and as I highlight here, I just wait for the price to retest the zone. Okay, that's pretty much it on gold. So AUDJPY, we are on a supply zone. Okay, this is the reason by which I move AUDJPY on a weekly watch list. We are on a supply zone, and from this supply, big impulse had started, okay, created. So this means that we have to be, I mean, to keep monitor this supply zone, and we have to wait for a setup like this one. Okay, so a strong momentum, bearish momentum, and a retracement, and we can see for we can look for a bearish opportunity. Okay, let's move on euro, and so euro USD, like euro GBP, or I mean all the euro currencies. Okay, we are bearish. We are in a strong bearish momentum. Okay, but as you can see, we are inside the demand zone. Okay, that probably for this week uh, uh, could move price just a little bit. Okay, up. But on my personal view is this. Okay, so price will broke this demand zone, retest the same zone, and go keep on going down. Okay, but obviously we have to be careful to this zone that could give us both long and short opportunities. Long, because if we just wait for a setup inside the zone, we could go long, and short, because we just wait for the price to retrace here, and more specifically, if we use volume profile fixed range, we can see that we have a lot of volume areas. This one, but the most powerful one, which is this one. Okay, so I just wait for the price to reach first the zone. I will go short here with the stop loss here. You can set, in my opinion, a pending order here. Sorry, no, this. So this is my first entry, and the second one, this one. Okay. So here, be very careful that we have this POC, but we have this one as well. Okay, so the stop loss could be this one. So be very careful about this zone. Okay, the last one will be NZDUSD, and as you can see, NZD currency is powerful, is very strong, and now, and right in this moment, price broke this resistance. Obviously, we have to wait the end of this candle, so the end of today. Okay, but if the price close, okay, above this resistance, it's Another very strong bullish confirmation. Okay, if we see instead a huge a huge tail, means probably price will retrace just a little bit. Probably price will retrace anyway. Okay, but obviously here we have a good opportunities to trade, just because if we use a fixed range, a volume profile fixed range, we see that we have this huge zone, volume zone. But if we move on 1 hour time frame, could be enough. We have this another sorry, this zone. Okay, and yeah, this one, which is already being tested, so be very careful, just because price will move here at least. Okay, so I will not go bearish, but I probably price will today will test this zone, or probably this one. Okay, guys, it's enough. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about. So use the comment section below, and tell me if there is something that, some currency, some asset that you want me to analyze. And join my Discord group. It's free. I share my trading ideas every day, and I just want to grow my community. So help me to do that, and we can share our trading ideas all together. Okay, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.